One minute. Huh? Okay. We are talking about volume of a solid. Okay. What is solid? Basically, solid is more likely not a plane figure, but it can be a two-dimensional or three-dimensional figure. Okay. It can be a two-dimensional or three-dimensional figure. Okay. Now, we are going to study some figures and to calculate their volumes. Okay. Means to calculate their capacity, how much they can hold inside. What is their capacity is the volume. Okay. Now, the first figure that we are going to study is known as cuboid. Okay, is known as a cuboid. Okay. Now, this cuboid, you can, if I tell you some examples, a cuboid can be a shoebox, okay, or a matchbox, or a brick, okay. It can be a shoebox, it can be a matchbox, it can be a brick, okay. That is a cuboid. It looks like this. Can you see it being three-dimensional? Okay, it looks like this. Now, if I mark the all the vertices in this, okay, I have a square A, B, this is B point, C, D, okay. Then I have a square at the back, okay. E, F, G, H, okay. So it has how many vertices? It has 8 vertices, okay. It has 8 vertices. All right. Now, two adjacent faces meet in a line. This line is called the edge of a cube. What is an edge of a cuboid? Okay, suppose this AE, if you see this AE, okay, two two points of a side is meeting, right? Two points of a side is meeting. This is known as an edge. Okay, this is known as an edge. Okay, now 8 vertices are there. Okay, 8 points are there. Okay, that you know. How, ma'am? See, A, We have A, B, C, D, then E, F, G, and H. Okay, these are 8 points. These are 8 points known as vertices. This red one, okay, is known as your edge. Okay, they are edge is made up of two vertices joining together. Okay, that are a part of a side. Okay, that are a part of a side. Understanding. Hope you all are understanding edges and vertices. Joshua.
I think so, ma'am. I'm not sure, really.
Okay, just give me 1 minute. Can I have a video now? Are you there, Joshua?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. Now, if you can see, I have a rectangular box, a glass rectangular box of specs. Okay. Basically, this is a cuboid. This shape that I have is a cuboid. Okay. Why? Uh, because its faces are rectangular. Okay. Its faces are rectangular. And if you count, this is known as an edge. Okay. This line, na? This line, then this line, this lower line, this side line. Okay. All these lines are what? Edges. Okay. This. Okay. This whole thing, the top thing, is known as a face. Face. Okay. What is it known as? Face. Okay. These are edges. And these corners, if you can see, these corners are what? These corners are vertices. Okay. Face, edge, vertices. These corners, vertices. Okay. So how many vertices? One, two, three, four. And in the bottom also, one, two, three, and four. Corners are eight. Okay. Corners are eight. How many are the edges? One, two, three, four, 5, 6, 7, 8, then 9, 10, 11, and 12. 4 on the top, 4 lines on the top, 4 sides on the bottom, and 4 on the sides. Okay, these are edges. 12 edges, 8 vertices. Okay, 8 vertices. And how many faces? Top 1, okay, bottom 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay, 6 faces. So this is a cuboid. Okay, this is an example of a cuboid. Where is my pen? Yeah, here. Okay, so you can write down. You can write down. Make the diagram also. I'm shading the face. Make the diagram with me. Wait. I'm writing what are the things that are cuboid and how many are there. Okay. So we have um six rectangular faces. Okay. Then we have 12 edges and 8 vertices. Okay. Which has um 6 rectangular faces, 12 edges, 8 vertices. Okay. Now it is defined by the length, breadth, and height. Okay. The length, breadth, and height. Okay. Write this down, please. Any doubt in cuboid? Joshua understood now what is a cuboid?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Please let me know once you're done writing.
Okay, ma'am. Almost done.
Okay.
Done, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, see now. Emma, you also done?
Uh, yeah, but I'm just writing the last part.
Okay.
Done, ma'am.
Okay. All right. Now see, one thing I will explain to you. Okay. Suppose this is my cuboid. This is my cuboid. Okay. In this cuboid, I'll name this also. Okay. A. I'm going to name this A. This is B point, C, D, and then the back one E, F, G, H. Okay. Now, if I ask you, now what are my faces? Okay, faces. I'm writing down the faces. Okay, I'm writing down the faces. First, I have A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D means the front face. Okay. Then I have E, F, G, H, that is the back face. E, F, G, H. Okay. If I have this in my hand, like this, I'm holding, okay, like this diagram. This is A, B, C, D. Okay. A, B, C, and D. This is A, B, C, D. Okay. This back one now. This back one is E, F, G, H. Okay. This is A, B, C, D. This is E, F, G, H. Now top one I'm writing. I'm writing the top one. Okay. The top one becomes A, E, F, G. Top one A, E, F, G. Then I'm writing down. Then I'm writing down the bottom one. Bottom. This one. Bottom one. Okay. C, D, H, G. C, D, H, G. Then side one, this side one, and this side one I'm writing. So this side one is this side one A, E, A, C, G, E. A, C, G, E. And this side one now. This side one B, F, H, D. Okay. Understood the faces. The top one I've written the bottom one, I've written this front one, back one, side one, and side one. Okay, 6 faces. Now, if I ask you, what face is parallel to A, B, C, D? Okay, what face is parallel to A, B, C, D? Okay, Emma, this is A,
Ma'am,
B. Yeah.
I have a question.
Yes, Joshua.
You A, B, C, D. A in this A should be connected to B.
Yes. When I say A, B, C, D,
And B
yes,
is which point, ma'am?
B is this point. This point. The red dot I've put now, this is B.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. So this front face, this front one is A, B, C, D. This back one, E, F, G, H. Okay. Then I mark the side ones, the top one and bottom one. My question is, which face is parallel to ABCD? This is ABCD now. In the box, in my box. If this is ABCD, which one is parallel to ABCD? You tell me. Emma, which one is parallel to, if this is ABCD, which one is parallel to ABCD?
Ma'am, EFHG.
Yes, this one. Okay, if this is here ABCD, then this one EFGH is parallel to ABCD. If I ask what is parallel to this top one, the bottom one. Okay, top one, what is parallel to top? A AEFG. This bottom one CDHG is parallel. Understood the parallel concept?
Yes,
This
ma'am.
side one is parallel to this one. The top one is parallel to bottom one. This side one is parallel to this side one. Okay. Now, there is one more concept. There is one more concept, adjacent. Okay. If I ask you, let's pick one face, BFHD. Okay. BFHD. Which face is adjacent to? Adjacent to BFHD. Okay. What is BFHD? This one. This one is BHFD. Okay. Now,
Ma'am, can I
ma'am, what is. Yes, Emma.
ACGE?
ACGE. Okay. What is ACGE?
It's
No.
that
Mm,
you
No, no,
said.
no.
Oh, adjacent.
Adjacent, I'm asking. Adjacent.
Oh.
What is the meaning of adjacent? Close to
Uh,
or nearby.
yeah, ma'am.
Next. Okay.
So it can be, there are three options, right, for this.
It can be
Or
this one also. Okay.
it can be the one connecting at the bottom or the both sides
Yeah. Or top one also.
or even top,
But not this one.
other
Okay.
side.
This one is far.
Only parallel is the only one which a lot.
Yeah. Yeah. Only parallel one, no. Otherwise, the others, yes. See, Joshua, adjacent is next to, okay, or close to. All right, close to. So, with this one, which one is close? Either this one is close, or this one is close, or this one, okay, or this one, okay. This one and this one are not close. See, they are far, okay, but this one and this one are close. Okay, this and this are close, this and this are close, this and this are close, this and this are close. Okay, so it can be any. Okay, it can be the this one ka adjacent can be this also, this also, this also, and this also. Okay, got it? Adjacent. This is known as adjacent.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, then so I've explained you the concept of parallel. I explained you the concept of adjacent. Okay, now let's move on to the next thing. That is what? That is a cube. Okay, that is a cube. Now, shall I erase this?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. Or I'll just erase. Yeah, I'll just erase the whole thing. Can you see this figure that I have made? Yeah. What is this? This is a 3D square. Okay. This is a 3D square. Have you seen the Rubik's Cube? A Rubik's Cube?
Yes,
The
ma'am.
colored one
Yes,
that we
ma'am.
solve?
Yes,
Do
ma'am.
both of you solve it?
I did the 4x4, yeah.
Okay. And
With
Joshua?
six, with 6x6, ma'am.
Okay, very good, both of you. So that Rubik's Cube is an example of a cube. Okay. Why is it called a cube? Because it is a square but three-dimensional. Okay. It
Ma'am,
is
there
not
are
a
few kinds of Rubik's cubes also, but those
hmm,
ones are like not square.
cube.
Those ones
Yeah.
are
Yeah. Yes. But the original one, which is a cube, like a square, na,
three by
that is
three.
three-dimensional. That is
Yes.
three-dimensional. So that is an example of a cube. Okay. That is an example of a cube. Now, in a cube, first I'm marking all the points. Okay. First, let's mark the vertices. 1, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7, 8. Just like the cuboid, the cube also has 8 vertices. Okay. Just like the cuboid, the cube also has 8 vertices. Then comes to faces. Okay. In the faces. Now look at my screen. We have number 1, the center face. Number 2, the back face. This is the center one and the back one. 3, top. 4, bottom. 5, the side one. 6, this side one. Okay. Also 6 faces. Okay. Also 6 faces. Now when we talk about the edges, 1 edge, 2 edge, 3 edge, 4 edge. Okay.
Ma'am,
5
it sort of
edge.
looks like you're doing all of the faces in one face.
It's like
Yeah.
I'm doing all of the faces in one face. Yeah, it kind of looks like that. Let me see. Do I have my Rubik's Cube here or not? I think it's maybe upstairs. Not here. Can you get your Rubik's Cube if you have it in your room?
I don't have it with me, ma'am.
You don't have it with you right now. Okay. And Emma?
I can give me 1 second. I think I have it in my just
Okay.
one.
Yes. Come back quickly.
No, ma'am, it's not there in my house.
Yeah. Even mine I couldn't find, so I'll show it to you tomorrow.
Okay.
Okay. I'm going to show you the Rubik's Cube tomorrow. Now, we were talking about. Now, imagine that this thing is a cube, okay? Imagine that this thing is a cube. This much I'm hiding from you, okay? Imagine this is a cube. In this cube, also, 1, 2, 3, back, 4 side, 5 top, and 6 bottom. 6 faces, 8 vertices, and how many edges? Okay, also 12 edges. Okay. Okay, 1 second. Okay. What is special about a cube? What is special about a cube? Something that is special. Now, like the cuboid, the cube also has a length, a breadth, and a height. Okay. Like the cuboid also has a length, a breadth, and a height. Okay. The special thing about a cube is that all three are same. Same height, same length, same width. Okay, same width, same height, same length. Why? Because it is a square. Because all the faces of a cube are squares. And in a square, all sides are the same length. Right? In a square, all sides are the same length. So that is the reason why in a cube also, the length, breadth, and height of it is the same. Understood?
Yes,
Hello.
ma'am. Yes,
Yeah.
ma'am.
Shiva, can you hear? I'm writing down the definition. Please write this down.
Mm.
Okay, so the length, breadth, and height of a cube are the same. Okay, are the same. In this lesson, we will talk about finding the surface area of cube and cuboid and volume. Okay, both the things I'll explain it to you. First, write this down. Tomorrow, we will see what is the major difference between a cube and a cuboid. Okay, what is the major difference between a cube and a cuboid? Hope you are making the diagrams also.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay.
Done, ma'am.
Okay, Joshua.
Ma'am did finishing last.
Okay. Write down the homework also. Done.
Done. Yeah, ma'am. Done.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So 17.1 exercise you have to do as homework. Okay. Please finish 17.1 today itself and send me. I need it. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Today itself and send me. Science, Emma, revise chapter 7 of science. Okay. Tomorrow I will
Yeah.
give you a worksheet on chapter 7 of science. So
Okay.
revise and come. Okay.
Okay.
All
Yeah.
right. So that's all for today. And now I'll meet you guys tomorrow. Okay. Have a good day. Bye.
Okay, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Bye,
Bye.
ma'am. Ma'am, bye, ma'am.